What's up everybody, it's Ryan with Coffs Customs. So today I'm going to show you how to ceramic coat your own car. It's going to be an at-home DIY video. I'm going to walk you through each step, the products I used, and show you guys how to do it. Today's sponsor of the video is PROJE Car Care. They sent me their Platinum kit, so stay tuned. I'm going to walk you through each product and how to use it. Alright guys, so in my box that I received 2 applicator pads, 6 of the edgeless microfibers, very soft. I got the prep spray. This is what you're going to use to clean off all the contaminants and old products that you have on your vehicle. And then you're going to go ahead and ceramic coat the car. This is the actual ceramic coating itself, very good quality. This is the quick coat. What you're going to do in between washes, whatever the case is, you're going to use this. It's going to rejuvenate that top coat, and also provide an easy way of cleaning your car. That way you don't have to get out buckets, stuff like that. This is the ceramic soap. This is also the same type of deal, but you're actually washing this. You're recharging your coating. It helps maximize your gloss and things like that. I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description, and we'll get started. Alright guys, so the first step, you're going to want to wash your car, motorcycle, whatever you're using. Today I'm going to be using my 2019 Harley Davidson Road Glide. Now the first step is going to be washing it. There's a couple different methods you can use. The first method is a dual bucket wash method, where you put your soap and your clean product in one bucket and you have just another bucket of water. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that bucket with the soap, you're going to dip your mitt in there, you're going to wash your car, and instead of dipping all those contaminants back into the bucket, you're going to take that, you're going to rinse it in the clean bucket with just water, and then go ahead and transfer your mitt into the other to grab your soap and wash your car. If you don't do that, a lot of times all the contaminants and dust and stuff like that that are on top of your paint that are sitting on there, what you're doing is you're just mixing that back in and wiping your car down with that. You're creating swirls, small scratches, things like that. So this helps avoid and minimize that. Also, you can do a foam cannon, which you put your soap in, you spray it onto the bike, and that helps wash some of that dust and debris off. You go ahead, wash it with your mitt, clean it up, rinse it off, and that's usually the faster, easiest method. Alright guys, so what I like to do first is I like to go around, pressure wash, get all these bugs and debris and stuff like that off, and then I'll go ahead and go around with the foam cannon, spray it, and wash it down, rinse it again. So I'll show you each step. Okay, so if you're going to do the foam cannon method, you're going to fill your soap in your dispenser and go ahead and start spraying. Now you're going to want to take your wash mitt and go ahead and start cleaning it, getting all the debris off, everything like that. Alright, now that it's all wiped down and washed, now you're going to go ahead and just rinse it again. Now you're going to want to go ahead and dry it. Get it nice and dry, and we are ready for the next step. Now, there's a couple of other products or things that you can do before you go ahead and do the prep spray. And what this is this is going to remove your scratches and swirls and your heavy contaminants that you didn't get off while washing. Fortunately, I don't need this on my bike. I will do another video on my car and show you these products, but the first one is going to be the polish. This is going to remove your minor scratches and swirls. And then you're going to want to also do a clay bar. This is the lube. The clay bar, what it does is when you run it over the paint, it removes those contaminants that you can feel, and that's what gets rid of it. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to show you how to do the prep spray. Alright, so now that everything's dry, you are going to spray your prep spray. wipe it off with a microfiber and make sure all of the debris and stuff is moved or removed. So you're going to go ahead, spray it on. This stuff smells awesome. And then go ahead and wipe it off. You're going to do this to your entire bike or vehicle, and then we'll do the next step. Alright, so now it's time for the ceramic coating. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a small amount onto your applicator sponge, and you're going to go wipe it in a crosshatch pattern. This product is stackable, which means you can put multiple layers on it and wipe it off. And what that's going to do, it's going to bring out more shine, and it's also going to make the product last longer with more layers. So let's get started. So now you're going to take a small amount of the ceramic coating, and you're going to place it on the applicator pad, and you're going to do crosshatch pattern, making sure all of the surface is covered evenly. And you're going to do this on each section and let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then we'll wipe it off with the microfiber. Now after the product sits for about 2 minutes, it's going to start to look like this, and you're going to go ahead and wipe it off. Now there's no certain way to do this. You're basically just going to take your mitt or your microfiber and go ahead and start wiping it down, making sure all the product is removed. Alright everyone, so I finished it. As you can see, the shine, reflection, clarity, everything is just absolutely amazing. Walk you around the bike, you can see everything. Such a clean, deep color. Alright everyone, so a couple tips and tricks. One thing that I would do is make sure you do not do this outside in the sunlight. You're going to want to bring this into your garage or a shady area and do it. The other thing is once a microfiber touches the ground, it picks up debris. You cannot use that to wipe down your car, your bike, apply a product, remove a product. All it's going to do is it's going to put that contaminants into the paint and scratch it and cause swirl marks that are going to be visible. Almost like it was never wet. Alright guys, so now you know how to apply it, you know where to get it, you know what the results are like. PROJE is hands down the best product I've used since I've started detailing. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Now that you know how to apply it, it's your turn to go ahead and purchase their product. The link is down in the description. I highly recommend it, and huge shout out to Project Car Care for sponsoring this video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and follow me on Instagram. It's KOFFS_customs, KUSTOMZ. Be cool, stay safe, and don't forget to follow them on Instagram as well. It's Project Car Care.